The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Many of you would have heard of the untimely passing of a young woman who had her baby at the Spanish Town Hospital, having spent some time at the Andrews Memorial Hospital, and after giving birth, ended up at the University Hospital of the West Indies. There are a lot of stories going around as to what led to her untimely passing. Firstly, I want to express my deepest condolences and regret at her passing, to her family members, to her friends, and indeed to all of Jamaica. I have asked for a thorough investigation to take place, and as soon as the results are available, which I hope will be very soon, we will make the information.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is a Dancehall. Big up and respect to each and every one. You see, viewers and subscribers, and this right about now is a sad topic. You see me, a really sad topic. You see it? This is about something that had happened within the country of Jamaica, where it is said that a female had died after giving birth to a child in a hospital. You see me? But there's more to it now, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Now, according to reports, it is said that family members or a family member had been notified about the death of the female on the 25th of April 2020, and it is said that the female had died at the University Hospital of the West Indies. You see me? Now, before the female had died after giving birth to the child, you see me? And it is said that she died hours after giving birth to the child. But however, before the female had died, according to reports, it is said that the female was denied, or hospitals did not want to accept the female because it is said that it was suspected that she had the COVID-19. Now, this whole video that I'm doing now, viewers and subscribers, is to give you a better understanding about this whole thing that had happened, you see me? And you know, by the way, it is said that the name of the female is Jodian Fearon, and according to reports, it is said that she's 23 years old. Is what I'm saying to you? Now, I just presented to you a video that shows off the person that is known as Christopher Tufton. He's the Minister of Health, and he's talking about this whole thing where it is said that the female had died after giving birth to a child, you see me, and denied by hospitals and so on. You get what I'm saying to you? Now, I have some audios that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and you know, these audios, you know, according to what has been said about these audios on social media, is that these audios is of nurses, isn't it, that are talking about the female that had died, and I have an audio of a person that is said to be a family member of the female that had died, and also a audio that is said to be of the boyfriend of the female that had died, or you could say the baby father. By the way, the baby is said to be okay and all right. You get what I'm saying to you? I'm talking about the baby that had born, you see me? Now, please bear in mind, viewers and subscribers, that what I'm telling you about these audios is what had been said about these audios on social media, and I'm only telling you according to how I understand as to what has been said about these audios on social media, and I'm not here to mislead you, my viewers and subscribers, all right? But anyways, here I'm going to present to you an audio that has audios in that audio where it is said that it is somewhat of a discussion between nurses talking about the female that had died. All right, now here is the audio. Take a listen and observe.
So you get your story straight. You hear? She wasn't refused at Andrews. All right, they know that he knows he's not supposed to carry a COVID patient to Andrews. All right, she's booked at UWI, and UWI wasn't taking her. He passed every administration because he knew the midnight. He brought her in on the compound, jeopardized other baby mothers on the ward. That's the reason we're asking to take her. Alright? Because we couldn't jeopardize the rest of the baby mothers them on the ward because he knows what is happening to her. He knew he booked her into UWI to have her baby. We didn't refuse her. It's UWI who had refused her. The doctor knows that she have the symptoms, you know. I him tell the daughter and her cousin to carry her to UA, and then UA refused. And because it was coming down to 3 o'clock in the morning the other day, he bring her there 3 o'clock Friday morning to Andrews. Because them doctor they just always, through them give them privilege, them can walk in, the nurses them can't talk to them. Says the nurses report it. And when we reach our work yesterday morning, I see whole heap of people, the big eggs them run up and down. And so we hear what is happening. Because the big eggs them said it can't stay there. We don't have the facility for it. Worse, the nurses them don't have the protective gear for it. What now they have to do? We had about 20 baby mothers on the ward ready to have, who have baby and who was supposed to go home. They have to be now in a different ward to be isolated because they don't know what happened. So it don't make no sense to them say Andrews doing anything. We couldn't keep her there. The doctor came in because them know say administration wasn't there. We don't even have a booking for that lady in the hospital. And he came in because through them big and bad, them always just pass and go up on the ward and the nurses them can't talk to them. And he went and put her there because Yui wasn't taking her then. Which he shouldn't have put her in there because he knows she having the symptoms and put her with another lady. That's not good. That jeopardizes another lady.
No, Nick, listen. The thing is, Andrews, remember Andrews said they will not take any COVID patient. So the government and Andrews went into an agreement for Andrews to shut down their personal hospital and take in government patients without the COVID because they are not equipped to deal with COVID patients. So on that basis, that's the agreement they signed. They signed the agreement for Andrews to take on the patients from KPH or from other government hospitals if they don't have any COVID-19. Now with that patient coming into the hospital, that's a breach of contract because that was never a part of their contract. Remember, said Andrews is a private hospital, they are not government, they're not a government entity, you know. So for them to bring a government, it's not right. Them have all right to turn her back because they're the truth, or just the plain truth. Them already going on the contract to take on the patients them off of the ward them down here so them can make them turn into the COVID ward. So if you go carry a patient, especially from UE, you have to inform your staff. No, Nick, I don't say go, you can't just walk past security, walk past admit with patient gone up. Remember them even tell us that them never even planned for her, she wasn't even booked. She was not even booked. Put the in her fridge and put it down, me soon come. She wasn't even booked. So yet the staff never prepared. So now you bring her in there now. You infect, look how much other people you infect. You can't do that. That's not fair.
Alright, so there you have it, the audio that is said to be of nurses talking about the female that had died. Alright, now here I'm going to present to you a audio that is said to be of a family member of the female that had died. Alright, now take a listen and observe.
She died of cardiac arrest and they shared everything they did. No, they said last time they didn't say all the time. And they said that me and my cousin couldn't leave the house until a certain time to get back the results. Anyway, the result didn't came back. This morning they called us and said she was negative. She didn't have corona. And she go through all of that, and she never have it. The shame. She probably was crying and she was dying. You wouldn't even understand how we feel. Right now we're trying to move out the TV in a fair room and I put it in a my room because we don't want the baby in a fair room. And she leave a beautiful baby girl.
Alright, so there you have it, the audio that is said to be of the family member of the female that had died, you know, and that person is said to be talking about the whole thing that had happened. Now here I'm going to present to you a audio that is said to be of the boyfriend of the female that had died, alright? Or you could say the father of the newborn baby, alright? Now here is the audio, take a listen and observe.
I'm very disappointed in the way that she was treated at Andrew's memorial. And that's the thing that hurt me the most, to be honest. She went there to seek medical attention, right? And the way she was treated. Yet, we have persons coming in from the first and cases island, right? Who we all know was positive for the COVID-19. Yet, we took a foreign national into the country, treated them, saved their life, but the person who is employed by the government of Jamaica, paying her tax in Jamaica, was pushed out of the hospital because they suspected. They suspected. They didn't test her to find out if she had the thing in it. They suspected that she had it. And she was pushed out. She was pushed out. I can't believe this is Jamaica, man. That's certain. I didn't even want to get emotional, but I can't believe this is where Jamaica has gone to. You understand? I grew up watching my grandmother saving people's lives. You understand? In the country where my grandmother delivering children out of their mothers. Right? And now to see something like this happening to my own, where she was pushed away from a hospital. Right? Which cost her life. And then she was rejected by 2 other medical facilities in Jamaica. This is just said, how do you explain something like this? So it doesn't matter the technicalities that they want to come up with and any fancy explanation that they want to come up with. And then they're telling me rubbish about Andrews being a Christian art institution. I've never seen God turning back on anybody before. Not even the devil. So when you're telling me now about Andrews being a Christian organization and then pushing out somebody's daughter, this is just sickening, man. Trust me, I don't even want to go down that way, but this is just sickening. You understand what I said? This is just sickening. I don't know how you explain that to somebody. How you explain something like that? That is not heartless, brother. That is not heartless. And it's not like she didn't pay her fee. You understand? It's not hurt, man. This is something that Jodie was really excited about. This is something that she was really looking forward to, being a mother. Because not even her child, Jodie is just somebody who naturally loves little children. You understand? She's always attracted to little babies. You understand? And then now, having her own daughter, it was something that meant the world to her. It's something that she sat, wrote down ideas, wrote down everything that she wanted her child to be and what she wanted for her child. Right? It's something that she was buzzing about it. And I don't know, but to see everything, wow, being taken from her, man, it's just that. It's just that. It's something that she really was looking forward to.
I saw you in a photo on social media with a child in your hand. How is the child now?
The child is 100% okay in terms of health. He's normal. There's no medical complaints or any problems with her at the moment. So, he's good, man. Just a normal child. No form of ailments or anything like that. She's good, breathing on her own, doing everything on her own, you know, taking her feeding, her formula just normal and everything. So, no have a problem with that.
And what is your dream for this child?
Oh, wow. Well, my dream for her is just to see this bright, shining star that her mother was, you know, dreaming of for her. You know, she's going to get the best life here is. She's not my first, in fact, she's my second daughter, so she won't be deprived of anything, that's for sure. You understand? I just have to get a little extra motivation from me, you know, and my family and Jodian's family and everyone where this child is concerned, just to push her, treat her special, love her extra now, that she's not going to have her biological mother around, but all the women in her family, Jodian's family as well as my family, are now motivated to, you know, give her that motherly love. It's already started.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know, me Dancehall Skilla, I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted, make you know what I go on. You see it? This whole thing, viewers and subscribers, you know, persons been talking about this whole thing. You see what I'm saying to you? Like, you know, persons out there find what had happened to be just sad, and a whole heap of different you know, thoughts and opinions and views have been put out there about this whole incident or incidents. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, because it seems as if it's more than one thing that had happened. You see it? You see it? So, viewers and subscribers, really and truly though, I only hope that something like this never happen again. You see what I'm saying to you? I mean, you see the struggles where mothers go through. You see what I'm saying to you? Child's birth, to me, child's birth is sometimes a life and death situation, you know. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this whole thing here. And, you know, until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.